Inflammation is our body's natural defense mechanism, a way to protect itself from injury and infection. When our body senses danger, it triggers an inflammatory response to fight off the threat and begin the healing process. Think of it like a little fire that ignites to fight off harmful invaders. This fire is essential for our survival, as it helps to eliminate harmful pathogens and repair damaged tissues. However, when this inflammation becomes chronic, like a fire that keeps burning, it can lead to various health problems. Chronic inflammation is like a smoldering fire that never goes out, causing ongoing damage to our tissues and organs. For women, chronic inflammation can manifest in different ways, from stubborn weight gain and joint pain to skin issues and hormonal imbalances. These symptoms can significantly impact daily life and overall health. This chronic inflammation is often linked to our modern lifestyle. Processed foods, stress, lack of sleep, and environmental toxins all contribute to the problem. Our bodies are constantly exposed to these inflammatory triggers, making it difficult to maintain balance. The good news is that we have the power to combat chronic inflammation and support our bodies through the food we eat. By making mindful choices, we can reduce inflammation and promote healing. By adopting an anti-inflammatory diet, we can help our bodies fight inflammation, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve our overall well-being. Incorporating foods rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids can make a significant difference in our health. An anti-inflammatory diet isn't about deprivation or complicated recipes. It's about making simple, delicious choices that nourish your body and fight inflammation from within. The beauty of Indian cuisine is that it's inherently rich in anti-inflammatory ingredients. Our kitchens are treasure troves of spices like turmeric, ginger, and garlic, all renowned for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. Fresh fruits and vegetables, staples in our diets, are brimming with antioxidants that combat inflammation. Think vibrant greens like spinach and moringa, colorful berries, and the tangy goodness of amla, all readily available and bursting with nutrients. Let's delve deeper into some of the anti-inflammatory stars found in your kitchen, which can help you lead a healthier and more vibrant life. Turmeric. This golden spice, a staple in Indian cooking, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. It's not just for curries. You can add it to soups, teas, and even smoothies for a health boost. Ginger. Known for its digestive benefits, ginger also possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe pain and reduce nausea. Try adding it to stir-fries, marinades, or simply steep it in hot water for a refreshing tea. Amla, Indian gooseberry. This tangy fruit is an antioxidant powerhouse, rich in vitamin C, which helps boost immunity and fight inflammation. You can enjoy it raw, in juices, or as a chutney to complement your meals. Leafy greens, spinach, moringa. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, leafy greens are essential for overall health and reducing inflammation. Incorporate them into salads, soups, or blend them into smoothies for a nutrient-packed meal. Incorporating these ingredients into your daily diet doesn't have to be a chore. Simple additions like a pinch of turmeric in your curries, a ginger-infused cup of tea, or a handful of fresh spinach in your smoothies can make a world of difference. These small changes can lead to significant health benefits over time, helping you feel more energetic and resilient. Section 4. Quick and easy anti-inflammatory recipes. In this section, we will delve into some delightful recipes that are not only quick and easy to prepare, but also packed with anti-inflammatory benefits. Let's explore some quick and easy recipes that can easily become part of your daily routine. First up, turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. A comforting and healing drink, turmeric milk is a perfect way to end your day. It's not only delicious, but also helps in reducing inflammation and boosting your immune system. Simply warm a cup of milk, whether dairy or plant-based, on the stove until it's hot but not boiling. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, which is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. A pinch of black pepper to enhance turmeric's absorption, making it more effective, and a touch of honey or jaggery for sweetness. Stir well and enjoy this soothing drink. Next, ginger lemon water. Kickstart your day with this refreshing drink. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and grate a small piece of ginger into the glass. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. This helps in digestion and reduces inflammation, making it a great way to start your morning. For a simple and nutritious meal, try a quick vegetable curry. It's a versatile dish that you can customize with your favorite vegetables. Sauté onions, garlic, and ginger in a pan until they are fragrant and golden brown. Add your favorite chopped vegetables like carrots, beans, peas, or cauliflower. You can also add bell peppers, zucchini, or spinach for more variety, and a pinch of turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder. These spices not only add flavor, but also have anti-inflammatory properties. Add a little water, cover the pan, and cook until the vegetables are tender. This usually takes about 10-15 minutes. Enjoy with roti or rice for a complete meal. This dish is not only healthy, but also very satisfying. And finally, a berry smoothie. This is a quick and nutritious option for breakfast or a snack. Blend a handful of berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, with a banana, a spoonful of yogurt, and a splash of milk or juice. Add a tablespoon of flax seeds or chia seeds for an extra boost of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. This makes for a quick and nutritious breakfast or snack. Enjoy these recipes and feel the benefits of anti-inflammatory ingredients in your daily diet. Section 5. Embrace the holistic approach lifestyle changes for reduced inflammation. While food plays a crucial role in managing inflammation, adopting a holistic approach is equally important. Here are some lifestyle changes that can complement your anti-inflammatory diet. First, stress management. Chronic stress contributes to inflammation. Incorporate stress-reducing techniques into your daily life, such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Next, regular exercise. Engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could be brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or even dancing. Adequate sleep is also vital. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep deprivation can disrupt hormonal balance and increase inflammation. And lastly, hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to flush out toxins and support overall health. Section 6. Your journey to a healthier you. Remember, adopting an anti-inflammatory lifestyle is a journey, not a race. Start by incorporating small changes gradually and listen to your body's needs. By making conscious choices about the food we eat and the way we live, we can empower ourselves to lead healthier, more fulfilling lives.